Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just got off the Rocky Mountaineer and arrived at our hotel, which is the Georgian Court Hotel in Vancouver. So let's take a look. See, it's a lovely room, nice big room with a great big beautiful king-size bed and hardwood floors obviously, and night tables on both sides of the bed with plenty of storage space underneath the bed. And individually controlled lights with a rheostat there. And a luggage rack here with more storage under the luggage rack. A nice big flat screen TV. A nice dresser and credenza underneath the TV with 6 drawers, so plenty of storage space. A nice desk with North American and USB plugs. So very nice. This lovely daybed sofa, lounge chair over here, which is beautiful. Another night table, more storage and more plugs on the other side of the bed. And another individually controlled light, which is very nice. And then coming back over by the door, we have a coffee maker, which is lovely, and reusable water bottles. And then down here, we have coffee and tea for the coffee maker, which is great. And glassware. We have a bottle opener and corkscrew, some coffee cups. And then down here we have a mini fridge with some glassware, which is just wonderful to keep your food and beverages cold. Here are the closets, which also have a full-length mirror. And we have a safe for your valuables, which is very nice. Have some extra bedding, and then on the other side we have some robes you can use while you're here, an ironing board and an iron. And then opposite the closets is the bathroom, which is also very nice. We've got a single vanity, a lovely big backlit mirror, extra towels, which is very nice, and plenty of storage underneath the vanity. And slippers you can use while you're here, and a blow dryer, of course. More storage space on these racks over on the right side. The facilities, of course, and a nice walk-in shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand and some amenities there on the wall. So just a lovely king room at the Georgian Court Hotel in Vancouver, British Columbia. So when you're ready to book your Rocky Mountaineer adventure, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.